welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and follow me on my Instagram and Twitter. So we're doing the BOXYCHARM today. This is, what month is it? May? Wow. Okay. But yeah. So let's just open it up. And the theme is Flourish. And the first thing I see in the box is this. These are by Lavish. Let's see. They are $30. The Lavish Essential Eye Collection. They are vegan. And yeah, 5 handcrafted vegan-friendly brushes. And they come in this cute little pouch, and they look really soft, like from the like the look of the bristles. I'm gonna try to use these today. I don't know how well I'll be able to use these today, but we'll see. But I like the brushes. They're like, yeah, I like them a lot. They don't have names or anything on them though. But I like the color scheme. I like how they're like, I don't know, they seem pretty soft. So yeah, that's that. And then going along with that, we have this. This is the KAB Cosmetics Day and Night eyeshadow palette. And it's $52. And I got a KAB product in the last box, or I don't know if it's the last box, but I got it in some box. And it's this thing. This is the lip oil in honeydew. So, I've seen previews of this on the BOXYCHARM Instagram, so I kind of already know what it looks like. But I'll show you guys anyways. Looks like this. It has like super neutral. It's got a lot of shimmers actually in it. Like this whole side, whole half, is like almost all shimmer. But like it's a neutral palette, but I actually kind of like this palette because it has like the orange and the purple. So yeah, I'm excited to use this. I want to kind of integrate this, or do something that goes with this. So I think I'm gonna this like quad here is kind of calling to me, so I think I'll try to use that. So yeah, I'll just zoom you guys in and we'll just get right into it. So I don't know exactly what I want to do yet, but I think I'm gonna somehow put these 3 colors on the lid and maybe this one on the lower lash line. We'll figure this out. So I think I'm going to try to use this brush, and I'm going to take this shade called Halo, and I'm going to put that in the crease, and probably we'll do the crease in the outer corner. Okay, so I wish that there was this purple shade. I wish that there was like a darker shade, like darker version of it in the palette so I can like deepen it up. I think I should have used a lighter base on my eyes. The shimmer, I used Twinkle Twinkle for the shimmer, and like it was really weird. Like it's really soft. Let me see how it swatches. Yeah, it's like really soft, and really shimmery, but like, I don't know, I was having trouble getting it to like, I don't know if it was necessarily trying to get it to like stick to my eyelid, but like, I don't know, it was weird. But we're gonna move on. So the next thing in the box is this guy, and I actually picked this for my box, but it's the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand, and I got the shade A Gleam. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not exactly sure what this is. Like, I don't know if it's a concealer or if it's like an illuminator, but it's $27, and it says an instant eye lift in a tube. Sheer liquid brighteners let your skin come through to deliver a natural lit from within youthful glow. And it includes a sponge that you can apparently take out. But yeah, looks like this. I hope this isn't too dark for me. I think when I picked it, I wasn't really sure what shade to get because I wasn't really sure what it is, but it does have a sponge on the end, and it's like squishy, and you can take it out if you want. I probably won't be using that. I mean, I guess I could for the sake of the video, but yeah, it's just like a doe foot, and like, I'm gonna swatch it real quick. This is probably gonna be too dark for my under eyes, but whatever. And like, when I blend it out, it like has like a glow to it. So I don't know. Maybe I'll mix it in with like, okay, how about I do, for the sake of the video, I'll do one side with just this, and then the other side I'll mix it in with my concealer. Now the thing is, when you have something like this, you probably aren't supposed to set it, but I can't. I have such deep creases under my eyes that I can't go without setting my under eyes. So I'll set it just a little bit. I'll try to do minimal setting. But let's just go ahead and we'll mix it in with concealer on this side. Because I don't want too much product under my eye either. I guess like it's like natural makeup is like all the rage right now. So I guess like if you're not wanting like any coverage but you're still wanting to brighten your under eye. Okay. Wait. I actually kind of like it. Like, it doesn't really add any coverage, but I think the brightness, like, because, I mean, like, it has a little bit of pigmentation in it, but, like, I think the brightening part of it really helps make your under eyes not look dead. Okay, the next thing in the box is this, and it's so cute because it's so small. This might actually be, like, the perfect color. This is it says all natural multi-stick by Han Beauty. It's $16. You can use it for the cheeks, eyes, and lips. Okay, it's darker, but it'll probably be okay. It's got like subtle gold reflex in it. I don't know if you guys will be able to see it. Probably not. Oh, maybe. But yeah, it's got like subtle gold reflex in it. It's a pretty color. I love a good mauvey blush, so apparently you can put it on the lips too. I'm not doing that. I'm gonna use the other thing, but I mean, I could maybe. and put the other stuff on top. We'll see. It's got like a subtle vanilla smell to it, like a lot of lip products do these days, but it also smells like a lipstick. Like it's got like that waxy smell still, like it's not like the vanilla isn't like overpowering. Okay, so I powdered my face and I'm ready for the last thing in the box, and that's this. This is by Ciate, and it's a bamboo bronzer. It's so cute because I have a Ciate blush. Hold on. And it's like just a bigger version. I love it. This one's obviously dirty. So I'll probably use the blush just cause. But anyways, this is $28. Oil controlling formula. Has bamboo powder for a shine-free, sun-kissed finish. Can be swept across the cheekbones for a subtle glow or built up to contour and chisel your features. Let's see. South Beach, I think it's the shade. Oh, okay, that actually might be a good bronzer shade for me. I went to the beach the other day, and I'm pretty sure I got my forehead burnt a little bit, but since I'm so tan, it's hard to tell sometimes, which is dangerous. But anyways, I'm just gonna take this and take my my bronzer brush that I always use and bronze the face. Kind of like this blush or bronzer actually. Ooh, actually I don't know, because now I'm like looking up close and I can see the gold glitters. Yeah, I don't know, maybe it's one of those things where you can like tap off the brush and tap off the glitter. But it's not so bad over here. For some reason, there's like a ton just right here. So, not big on that. That's unfortunate. Okay, so I finished my makeup. I actually used this on my lips, and then I put like a shit ton of this on top of it. I wasn't a fan of how this looked on my lips by itself, but overall I think this was a good box in terms of the products that I got. I liked the brushes. The bronzer I would have liked if it didn't have the gold reflex in it, and it wasn't a problem until I like looked close up, and I don't know if I just put my brush there or something, but I just have like a patch of gold glitter right here for some reason, which is really annoying. And then this, I actually think I'm gonna really like this. I think I need to use it some more, but I think I am going to like it. And for the record, I do kind of like having this on the end. I think it helped blend it in very well. But if you're using a sponge for your foundation stuff anyways, it's the same thing. But I guess if you're like on the go, which is what it says. So, and then this I liked. Like I said, I didn't like it on the lips, but I think it's a really good blush. So this I liked. I did have to build up this shade quite a lot, but I think that's mostly just because I didn't have a lighter base on and I have like a medium skin tone. Though I like how it has this shade here, so you can like set your eye base. The only thing that it doesn't have is a highlight shade, which to me, I mean, it's not necessarily a deal breaker, but I probably wouldn't travel with just this. palette. Like, I mean, I guess you could like use a highlight that you like are bringing for your face, but like out of like the millions of shimmer shades in here, they don't have a lighter one you could use as a highlight. For my inner corner highlight, I used this shade, but yeah, I don't know, that's just kind of sad, but that's probably the only things. And the shimmer, this one the one I used in my inner corner acted okay, but this one was like weird, and I don't know if it was because I was using my finger, because then I like switched to a brush, and it worked a little better. I don't know, it was kind of weird, but the look turned out pretty good. I just had to finesse quite a bit. But let's just add everything up, shall we? So the total is $153, and I actually think that this box did, as a whole, it didn't disappoint. Some of the products were kind of had like disappointing elements, but I think overall this was a really good box. I was actually pleasantly surprised. So big thumbs up for this one. Speaking of thumbs up, if you want to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up as well, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Follow me on my socials, they will be down below in case you missed them in the beginning of the video, and I'll see you guys all